Hey, quick question. Are you conscious right now? No, seriously. Not just awake, not just thinking. I mean that deep, weird, mystical state where you feel like you. That sense of being. Yeah, that. Turns out you can be awake, walking, seeing, even talking, without actually being conscious, like a Tesla robot. Or me. So, what is consciousness? And where the heck in the brain does it come from? Let's find out. Let's break it down. Here's how a conscious moment works. In theory, you get a stimulus, light, sound, memory, thought. The thalamus routes that signal to key brain areas. The posterior cortex, especially the occipital and parietal lobes, lights it up. The prefrontal cortex decides what to do with it. Meanwhile, your default mode network keeps a sense of you running in the background. That's the recipe. Or is it? So, which part is the switch? If we wanted to turn off consciousness like a light bulb, where would we poke? Here are the suspects. The thalamus. Like the brain's airport traffic control. Knock this out? Total unconsciousness. The posterior hot zone. Damage here, equal sign, no experience, even if awake. The brainstem. Cut off here and you're in a coma. These areas show up again and again in weird states of consciousness. Imagine this. You're walking around your house, eyes open, muscles working. You open a fridge, pour a drink, maybe speak. But you're not there. You're sleepwalking. Same for people under anesthesia who move or talk, or during a seizure. Or even in blind sight, people who say they can't see but still dodge objects. So what's happening? The body runs, the brain calculates, but the self? Offline. Now here's the trippy part. AI can do all the things. Talk, write code, pass exams, even sound-wise, but there's zero evidence it feels anything. It's all simulation. No sensation. Why? Because it lacks a body, a thalamus, a self-model, or maybe because our science isn't even close to cracking the real thing. Dreaming is wild, your body's paralyzed, your eyes move, but your mind, totally alive. During REM sleep, your posterior cortex lights up like you're in the Matrix, but logic centers like the prefrontal cortex are partially asleep. Hence the weird stuff. You are conscious, but not rational. Let's be creative. What if we gave a robot, a thalamus-like router, real-time sensory input, feedback loops across simulated brain regions, a self-model, attention filters, and memory tied to emotion? Would it feel something? Or would it just act like it? We don't know, but we're trying. You nailed it. Everything we've discussed, from brain maps to sleep states, explains the how, but not the why. Why does this 1.4 kilograms lump of neurons feel anything at all? Why not just compute? This is the hard problem, and it's why consciousness research is stuck between neurons and mystery. So, are we wasting our time trying to understand consciousness? Maybe. But every time we peel back a layer, whether in sleepwalking, anesthesia, or AI, we get closer. Not to building consciousness maybe, but to understanding the strange, beautiful, terrifying gift of being. If that isn't worth studying, what is? Like, sub and share with your most philosophical friend. Catch you in the next mind melt.